Hey everyone, it's me, Code1996, and today we're here with the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus. This Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus is lightweight and powerful. It's meant to pick up the pet hair. It has their Smart Seal allergen system with additional Febreze pet odor eliminator filter. Their tangle-free brush roll so you can say goodbye to the hair wrap. The hands-free emptying with the cyclonic pet hair spooling system. There's a quick release wand that's always active and ready for you to use. Specialized pet tools to capture the pet hair. Multi-surface cleaning with the brush roll on and off. There's edge-to-edge section, has swivel steering, LED headlights, and it comes with the LED lit crevice tool, the pet turbo eraser tool, and the 2-in-1 pet dusting brush. And it comes with a 5-year limited warranty. On the top you have your quick start guide and your register form for the warranty. First you have your Febreze filter right here. Underneath that filter you have the 2-in-1 dusting brush. This is really stiff for a dusting brush, so I wouldn't use this on anything delicate, but it does have rubber teeth here to get the pet hair and stuff off of any surface that you want to use this on. This will be perfect for cleaning leather couches, so it's not too stiff where it's going to scratch them, but it can dust them off and get off the pet hair. Next you have your LED crevice tool. You're just going to want to pull these battery tabs out to activate the battery. The last thing on top is your pet turbo eraser tool. Next you have your handle and extension wand. There's nice rubber coating right here. It's a nice ergonomic grip, so it's really going to feel good in your hand as you're cleaning. Next we have our hose. It is a flexible hose that stretches, so that's good. It's about 4.5 to 5 feet long, fully stretched. You can see right here there's a nice thick rubber seal all the way around, so it's really going to seal in the airflow and the dirt. So now we take out the main machine. To assemble your Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus, you turn the machine around, you take this wand right here with the Bissell facing forward, place it right into the back, clicks right into place. You can then take your hose, and you take this hose, match up the arrow there with this arrow here, you place it in just like this, and then turn it clockwise until it locks into place. To attach the other end of the hose, you take this rectangular bracket right here, you take off the dirt bin, then you're going to take this bracket and place it right into here and push back until it locks into place. Then you take your dirt bin and attach it right back to the machine. Next, all you have to do is attach your attachments as you prefer. The last step, you just take this bracket right here and place it right into the back of the hose holder right there. And now your hoses are going to be flopping around. Now we have finished assembling the Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus. So let's get started with the first test. So let's turn it on. Wow, that's really not the loudest vacuum I've ever heard. Just put your foot down right here and pull it back. Wow. You can see the clean area. So already you can see the amount of hair and dirt that we've been able to get out of this carpet from that one little corner. So right here you can see just how clean this machine has been able to get the carpet. You can see it's really lifted the pile good and gotten up all of the hair and the dirt compared to what it looked like before. You can see right here it's really dull and dingy, and there it's nice and clean. So overall this Bissell is really good. not too much visible agitation. But as you see, it's still doing a good job in getting up all of the hair and the dirt out of this carpet. You can see this hair right here. Picked it right up. So we have finished vacuuming this rug with the Pet Hair Eraser Turbo. To remove the dirt bin, you just hit this tank release button right here and pull up and out. As you can see, this is all of the dirt and the hair we were able to get off of this carpet. That is a lot of dust and dirt, especially a ton of pet hair. So what we really want to see in this machine is what the brush roll looks like. So let's take a look at the brush roll. So as expected with this tangle-free brush roller, not one piece of hair has gotten wrapped around this brush roller, which is really awesome because that's a big thing that a lot of machines have. And there's some machines that try to remove the hair with plastic teeth, but those plastic teeth just wear down over time and honestly don't do the best of job in removing the hair, as you have seen in some of my previous videos. But Bissell has figured out a way to prevent this hair from wrapping on this cleaning roller, which I find really great and is a really good design feature of this machine. So I've spilled some popcorn on the ground. Let's see how well it deals with some larger debris. Okay, so the popcorn, it snow plowed, and as you can see, some of it got caught right there at the front and where the belt was. You can see right here, that is the line where the belt is. It did not suck up the popcorn from where the belt is. So let's see this again. So to pick up the larger pieces of popcorn, you're going to have to release the quick release wand, pick up your hose off of the mount right there, and then go and pick up the larger pieces. And it's that easy. Let's see how well it does with edge cleaning. Well, as you can see, that's a little bit of an epic failure. Very little got sucked into the actual machine. Most of it just got pushed forward and to the side. So to clean up this mess, you're going to have to use the quick release wand. And now the mess is cleaned up. So I'm pretty sure we already know from the carpet test how this is going to perform on the popcorn on the hard floor, but let's test anyway, shall we? The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus does not deal with popcorn very well. So let's see how well it performs on some kitty litter. This is something a lot of people have on their floors every day. You can see it sucking up the cat litter before it gets to it. Nice. So that did pretty good. So let's see how well it does against some cat litter on the carpet. You can see a little bit of agitation, not much though. Wow. I do have to say that did pretty good. So the machine did actually really good on all this. As you can see, there's a nice clean pass, and even where the belt is, it was able to suck up all of the kitty litter. There's just like 1 or 2 pieces left. So this does a really good job on the carpets, especially on kitty litter. So let's clean up the rest of this mess. So this Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo does a really good job. As you can see, all that hair in the dirt bin. That is really nice. It has a lot of power. It may not perform well on large particles, but fine particles and cat litter, and definitely the pet hair, as you can see, it does a great job on the hard floors and the carpets. To use your tools, you hit this lever here and pull up. You can only attach the tools to the end of this extension wand, which I find a little bit awkward and inconvenient for cleaning, but I guess that way you don't really have to bend over. But they should have made it so you could take this off right here. There is a suction relief valve right here, so if you are cleaning anything that you don't really want to be sucked up, again, you can't take this off. So that is kind of a design flaw that I find. You should be able to remove this wand to be able to just use it as a handheld. So we're going to clean up this popcorn that I've spilled. See the light? The opening is small, so it got caught. This is a very small opening. I don't know why they would make it so small. Alright, so let's use the turbo eraser tool. So let's take a look at the brushes. So there's no hair wrapped around these brushes, which is really good. That's nice. But as you can see, the rubber has already started to wear down a little bit right there especially. You can see it's starting to wear down. So I don't know why they didn't just make that plastic so it glides easily across the carpet. But as you can see, they'll wear down, so eventually it won't be a problem. But then a lot of your airflow will be gone, because that's what it uses to hold down the carpet and give you airflow. So after those wear down completely, it might not perform the same. Although it does have air slots in the side, which also help with the performance of this. So overall, it does a really good job in getting the hair and the dirt off of your stairs. So I hope you enjoyed this video with the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus. Please let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. If you would like to purchase this Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus, you may click the link in the description below.